A lot of quilting designs just grab your attention with how intricate and beautiful they are. But sometimes you want the focus to be on the piecing or on the fabric itself rather than on the quilting design. If that's the case, then outline quilting might be the perfect simple quilting design for you. Today I'm going to show you how to do outline quilting and how to use this in a way that supports the piecing in your quilt. So outline quilting works best if you have a quilt with an all-over design with clear lines that go from one side to the other. So designs like just simple square grids or log cabin or fence rail, those are the perfect kind of things for that. Some people, when they say outline, they think of outlining each little individual shape. And that is a really nice quilting design. However, that doesn't work with simple quilting, because if you were at the sewing machine trying to stitch around each little triangle, it's a lot of moving and it's anything but simple. That would work a lot better with free motion quilting or ruler quilting, something where you can move the quilt in all directions, rather than simple quilting where you're just stitching in straight lines across the fabric. This fence rail quilt, you can see, has a simple little design in the border, but the whole inner section is just quilted with lines that echo this stepping line out across the quilt. And that's a quick and easy way to finish the quilting that also emphasizes the piecing design. So the sample I'm going to do is on this easy checked placemat. This placemat is a great practice piece. It's small and quick to do, but it'll give you a feeling for how your quilt design is going to work in a larger quilt. So if you want to make your own, you can check on the link that I have for that. And outline quilting is perfect for this kind of quilt that has natural grid and natural squares. So the way I'm going to outline quilt this is I'm going to echo the seam lines down across the quilt in steps. And I'm going to choose to have my stitches in the darker squares primarily. So there's no need to mark the stitching lines on the quilt, because you can just use the edge of the presser foot to line up with the seam or whatever line you're going to be following across your quilt. So I'm just going to start stitching using this seam as a guide. Then when you've got down to the corner where you're going to turn, stop with the needle down, lift your presser foot and turn the whole quilt. Then lower the presser foot and stitch up to the next corner. And then turn the corner in the same way. Needle down, presser foot up, turn, presser foot down. So there's my first stitching line completed, zigzagging down the quilt. I'm just going to repeat, stitching out on one half of the quilt and then in the other half of the quilt. And there it is. It's an easy design and it really accentuates the piecing in the quilt rather than distracting from it. All we need to do now is trim the edges and bind the placemat. If you want more simple quilting ideas like outline quilting, check out my book, Simple Quilting. It gives you 10 easy designs to finish your quilts quickly and beautifully. You can get information about this and other tips, tricks, and tutorials at my website, evadastudio.com.